for paint. Smoothed everything out. Went pretty good. Started primer the armor. Still lots to come, but yeah, this one's ready for paint, and once it's paint matched, I'll get it all thrown back on the Jeep. But looking good for now. Rear view mirror camera hooked up. Pretty awesome. Link in the description. This thing's pretty cool because, you know, I can't see, this thing's so tall and I don't really have reverse lights yet, but it's nice to see out the back, like what it once was. And it records front and rear, so there's a forward facing camera as well. You can also take pictures, but this is the forward facing and rear, so that's pretty cool. So far I'm really liking it. I haven't used it yet, but I have a feeling this is going to come in really handy. Got the license plate lights hooked up as well. Pretty awesome. This is the camera for the front rear view mirror. Fully adjustable, pretty awesome. But yeah, more to come. The paint is almost done. I'm just finishing up some paint, and we'll move on to some steering stuff. And I actually got half doors for a Christmas gift early, so we're gonna be putting some Genright half doors on. Stay tuned. I also swapped out the side marker turn signal. The old one was an amber lens color. This one's a clear but with the amber light in it. So I think it looks a lot cleaner. Let me know what you guys think. But this is the new one, and I'll show a preview of the old one in case you guys didn't see it up close. These are the old ones. Okay, the paint is done. Got a few things to touch up on the underneath. A couple spots where the rocks have grinded up against. I gotta touch it up with some black paint. But as far as the exterior goes, it is done. Minus the half doors. I might paint those the same color as the Jeep. I might keep them aluminum for a summer. I'm honestly gonna let you guys decide. If you want to see them painted, we'll go ahead and paint them. But if you want to see them aluminum for one summer, we'll throw them on there and see how it looks. And I want you guys to decide for me. But the outside is officially done. The exterior is painted very nicely. It is not perfect, however, but you know, it's a rock crawler, so it's just gonna get beat up again. I'm not too worried about it, but I think it looks pretty nice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.